Yawn. Why do you yawn? We yawn because we are bored. When we are bored, we yawn when we're tired. We yawn when we get up in the morning. We yawn when we are sleepy. We yawn because it's the way our body is saying like cooling down because we may be too hot, or maybe we yawn to say we want to go to bed, or maybe yawn because someone else yawns. When one person yawns, that's one person. One person. Another person yawns. Yawning is very contagious. Very contagious, yawning is. Some people yawn because they are really tired. Or they can't keep their eyes open. You close their eyes. Like this. It's not very good to yawn, but some people love it. I love it. I love yawning. Because when the water goes out, it goes onto your eyes and it goes downwards when you yawn. When you're yawning. Some people do yawn like this. Some people do. Some people do cry yawn. Some people don't make a sound. Yeah, water your eyes and then the water goes down. That's yawning.